Good morning, kindergarten. First off, I wanted to say happy Easter. I hope you enjoyed the weather this past weekend. If you got to spend time with, your family members to celebrate Easter, I hope everything, went okay for you and that you had a good time. So I'm going to go ahead and get started with week 3 of word building. So for this week, this is all new information. We are going to be learning the short O sound. So short O makes the ah sound. Okay, so when we're working this week, you're going to be building words that have the ah sound in them. I want you to go ahead and say that sound for me. Say ah. Good. All right, so we're going to start with the OT word family for this video. And then you guys know as we go through the week, I'll be introducing different word families, different endings for our words. So for today, we have OT, which is the ought ending. So you hear the ah and t. So OT, okay. We're going to start building some words. I'll do the first few. We'll kind of work through them together, and then I'll let you go ahead and try to build them on your own. I have posted the word building worksheet for you if you would like to print out and kind of write your words down. Remember, if you have your own set of magnet letters that you'd like to use, stickers, if you just want to write the, skywrite the words with me, that's fine as well. So let's go ahead and get started here. So for OT, for ought, the first word I want to build is jot. I'll say it again for you. Jot. So let's stretch out this word. Okay, let's do it together. We have j at the beginning.
J, j.
Aw.
O, ah.
T.
T,
Okay, so let's stretch it. J, ah, t. Jot. Good. Let's do another one. Let's do this one. Let's see if you can get it.
D, d.
D,
O, ah.
aw,
T,
t. So you have d, aw, t. Let's blend it together. Dot. Good. See that OT ending here? Let's do another one.
G, g. O, ah. T,
G, ah, t. Got. Good. We'll do one more together. Let's do the word rot. Let's sound it out. Rot.
R, O, ah.
Ah,
T,
t. Ot, rot. Good. I want you to try these last two on your own. Okay, so I'm going to give you some time. If you're working at home, go ahead. You can write down the letters. You can use your magnets. If you're working with me, let's go ahead and skywrite these words. So the word I want you to build is caught. I'll say it again for you. Caught. All right, so you've had some time. Let's go ahead, and check your work here. So let's see. We have caught, that beginning sound. I know some of you were probably thinking, oh, Miss Wickstrom, this could be 2 different letters, but I'm not sure. Well, if you picked
C,
C, you are correct. The k sound. Okay. So you have k. What's the next sound you hear in caught? O. Good. And what is the last sound you hear?
Teat.
T. Good. So we have k, a, t, caught. Good. Way to build that one. Let's try, I'll give you one more to do on your own. I want you to try to build the word pot. I'll say it again for you. Pot. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and build this word. What is the beginning sound you hear in pot?
P.
P. Good. Alrighty, the next sound you hear in pot is the aw sound. So I placed our O here for you. And what is the last sound you hear in pot?
Teat.
T. Good. So we have p, a, t, pot. Awesome job. All right, so this is the last word we're building here for this OT word family, the ought word family. I'll have another word family posted for you to view for tomorrow.